same if you're making deposit by Payeer. I already showed in a previous video how you can make the deposit by all those payment gateway. And here, if I want, I can also do the test by making the deposit by Payeer. So let's try. So if I want to make the deposit by Payeer, I am just going to click deposit, then deposit gateway. Here I'm going to choose Payeer, and as currency I'm going to put USD, and here I will specify the amount like $5, and I will check this box and I will mention here Payeer deposit. Sorry. Oh, okay, and I will click deposit, process, and here I'm going to choose USD. So I'm going to confirm this. So now it's redirecting me to payment merchant page, and here I have to log in. I'm gonna go next. I have to check my mail. So it's a confirmation code from there. It's 31386. Go next. And I'm gonna click confirm here. And you can see the payment is successful, and I'm going to be redirected to the SIMBCOIN account. So I made a deposit of $5 from Payeer, and you can see it's successful. So basically all the payment methods are working. If you want to make by Ethereum, you can try also as well. It's going to work just perfectly. So deposit by Bitcoin, Payeer, MonetBill, and also Liebniwal, they are all working. So you have many ways of making deposit in your account, in your SIMBCOIN account. If I go back to the dashboard, here I can see I now have $16 in my USD balance and 9.50 in my Limo balance. Okay, so this was how this was just to show you how you can make the deposit in your account, in your SIMBCOIN account, using various sources. So I hope this video is going to help you. Please, in case you have any difficulties, in case you face some problems, just let us know and we will come back to you. You can see the helpline here. You just go in there and type the subject and you will key in your message here. We're going to receive and we're going to respond. So stay tuned to SIMBCOIN YouTube page, YouTube account, and we're gonna share more videos on how you can do. We're gonna share more videos later, according to all the difficulties you're gonna face. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.